Hi. Now this one is all about being calm. So this is Arti Bakshi and I welcome you to Learning Skills for Life. Right now I'm going to teach you a simple trick. It's called mindfulness. Mindfulness. And let's break it up. Is our mind full of things? Or am I focusing on just one? When I'm in the moment. Now imagine you have an ice cream in your hand and you take a little bite or a little lick. You're right there enjoying the ice cream. There may be other children playing. There might be other children doing other things. But do you focus moves from where you are? Never! You're focusing only on that ice cream. Enjoying the sensation, the color, the feel and the taste. Mindfulness is just like that. It is to enjoy where you are. So I'll give you something which will help you out immediately. Imagine when you were the happiest. Maybe a holiday, maybe while playing with friends outside. Think of that moment and take in a small breath. Now we're going to take in a deep breath. So put your hands on a tummy, one hand on a heart, and I take in a deep breath. And when I do, I can feel the hand on my tummy facing each other and pushing against each other. That's how long you will breathe. So take in a deep breath, slowly breathe out from your mouth as if you're blowing out a candle. So it goes something like this. One more. Now think about the happiest moment. That's how simple mindfulness is. So the next time when you need to focus, before an exam, before a class test, before a presentation, hold it. Think about your happy moments. So a big hug from me to you and learn this master skill. It will hold you in the worst of conditions and of course in the best of them too. See you soon.